All right, folks, here we are outside room 5292. This is one of the balcony rooms on the Carnival celebration, and we can't wait to show you what's inside. Let's go. First impressions are everything, and this room doesn't disappoint. It's spacious, well-lit, and adorned with Carnival's signature cheerful colors. You'll feel right at home here. But wait, there's more. The real showstopper is just a step away, our private balcony. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, sipping your morning coffee with this breathtaking view. It's a game changer. Inside cabins are cozy and efficient, with all the amenities you need for a comfortable stay. It's a budget-friendly option without compromising on the Carnival cruise experience. The suites on the Carnival celebration are a step up, offering more space and additional perks. It's a great option for those looking to elevate their cruise experience. Havana suites and balconies. If you're craving a tropical paradise within your cruise, look no further. The Havana suites and balconies are a haven of relaxation. With exclusive access to the Havana pool, cabanas, and bar, it's like having your own private retreat within the ship. The design is inspired by Havana's vibrant culture, creating a unique and immersive experience.
Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.